Yes, so today I'll be going through this bale I've just got from Syed Vintage. I got 50 vintage t-shirts. So let's get on to the unboxing. The first piece that I pulled out is this green graphic. It says shenanigans with the little skull on it. Nice little print on both arms. The second piece is looking like a band top from Depop. It's got a sick graphic on the back and on the front. This is a sick, really nice top. I'm seeing another skull. This is sick. Huge print on the front and on the back. This looks like another band top. Shawn Mendes tour. This might be worth saying for Shawn Mendes fans. Notre Dame football with a nice print on the back and a print on the arm. These have been really sick so far. Like really nice prints as well. The next one is this. San Francisco football. This is quite a nice one. Another easy 10-15. It's probably going to be quite hard to see, but is a Darth Vader head size small, £10 maybe. This is looking sick. I'm not sure what it's got on it. Ice Cube. This is going to be worth a nice bit. This is definitely going to be more than £10. This is a really nice print. I really like this one. The next one, keep calm and build run. Is that just me or does that not make sense? Build run. Gold's Gym, yeah, it's a bit of a weird like hologram kind of thing it's got all over it. It's got like a secondary print on the top. Orange top, this looks interesting. Oh, no way. Mickey Mouse graphic print. I think stuff like this will sell so quick. This one looks interesting. Front and back print again. Whatever it takes on the front and loads of just sponsors on the back. This is a bit but this will definitely sell. Nice t-shirt really. This one looks interesting though. Actually, take that back, not so interesting. A bit of a basic one, another £10 though. This one does look interesting though. This one could actually be good. Chiefs on the front. This is such a sick print. I really like this one. I might even keep this one for myself with a little enemy of the state on the back. If you are enjoying this video, because I know I definitely am enjoying going through these clothes, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so we can hit 1k by the end of the year. It'd be so appreciated if you could help me hit a k. Looking like a NASA one, this says. Yeah, little NASA top, size small, bit average, but definitely 10. Fallout Boy graphic top. I'm not too sure how much stuff like this goes for. This pink top's looking interesting. Corona Del Man King's Crew. Quite a sick print though, a nice colour top and graphic. Another Star Wars graphic top, this looks like. Star Wars The Empire State. People might like it just because it is Star Wars. I thought this was like an American flag, but it is quite a sick print really, with the trees being like the stripes. Very unique. I think that's been the thing with a lot of these though. A lot of these have been really unique, which is really cool. Oh, this green one looks like a Christmas one. That's not good. Show a little elf respect. This would be well good if it was before Christmas. Not good for January. This one's a little bit basic, but it's not the end of the world considering what other stuff we've got. If you have liked any of the tops you have seen so far, or if you like any of the tops you're gonna see, the link to my Depop's in the description and it's up on the screen now. It's all gonna be available over there right now. Another Disney top. Could not tell you who that is, but it's a Disney top, so it will definitely sell well. Oh, it's like a Mickey Mouse being like floral print. That is quite cool. This one's looking cool. Another Star Wars top. Quite a sick print. Got all the characters in as well. I think this will be a quick sale. Yeah, an Avengers top. If I would have had this at the time of like Endgame, this would have sold for so much. This is looking like quite a big print. I don't know why this has made me laugh, but follow your dreams, and it's got 2 dolphins on it. Interesting design. I think this will sell quick though, because it is quite sick. I would not have said I would have got this much sick stuff, or this variety of sick stuff. Another Star Wars top by the looks of it. It's not a Star Wars top, but this is sick. I think this will sell for loads. It's got loads of really big artists on there. Doctor Who with like the Daleks on it. It's even got tags in it, like brand new tags. I don't think that will really increase the sell value of it, because I'm gonna have to wash these, so I'm gonna have to cut them out, but it is quite sick. Jordan top. This is really nice. I think this will sell for about 15. This one looks a bit strange. Well, there's been a lot of Star Wars stuff in here, but like Darth Vader, this is quite a nice tee. I think the only thing with it is all these little white dots. People don't really like this, or I don't really like stuff like this. Live simply, I think it says on here, but it's quite a nice graphic on a grey top. Grey is quite an easy colour to sell, so I think that will be gone relatively quick. Quite a nice print on it, quite basic though. Another Avengers top, this time with Iron Man and the Hulk on it. Oh, don't say another Christmas top. I've had it up to here with elves, you get it, because the elves are like small. thing is with stuff like this will sell really well, but at December and November, a Vans top, I'm not really too sure what kind of Vans and that will sell for. I think this could be 12 to 15 pounds though. This is really sick. I think this is from American Dad. I take it back, my American Dad's Bob's Burger. I think this will sell really well though. Back to the Future top, size large, really nice print. I think this will do well. This one looks a little bit dead. Life's better on a beach, is it though? Like a Mountain Dew top with a cat on it. I think this is so good. I purely like it just because the fact it is Mountain Dew. I think this is so sick. A Popeye graphic. This is so cool. A St. Patrick's Day pub crawl top from 2018. This is sick. I just think it's crazy. It's from a pub crawl. It is quite a sick graphic as well. This looks like it came from a stadium somewhere. This was originally $18. It's another one of the Notre Dame tops like we got earlier. Helen Carr site. I'm not really too sure what that is. A bit of a basic one on like a burgundy kind of top. An O'Neill's top. I don't think this will sell too well, but where it is O'Neill's, it might be worth a little bit more. An anime top. If I knew a little bit more about anime, I could probably give you a lot better price on this, but I'm really not too sure. I think this will sell well though, where anime is really popular, and as well if that is a popular character, but I could not tell you who that is. I think this is our first white top of the whole bale, isn't it? A bit of a basic one though. I don't think this will do too well. Some random chavvy with some glasses on. I could not tell you who this is though. I think this could sell relatively alright though. Now for our last t-shirt of the bale, and will it be a stinker? It is. A bear with a Cali hat on and sunglasses. I don't think this will sell too quickly, but if you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to help me hit 1k by the end of the year. But if you don't subscribe, you're going to miss out on Depop content, more unboxing videos, more review videos of the unboxings, loads of charity shop videos, loads of car boot sale videos, so you'd be crazy not to subscribe. Unfortunately, that is the end of the bale. I can't believe how many sick pieces we came away with. Without a doubt, I'm going to make my money back on this easy. In next video, I'll go through all the values of these and give you the total take home from all these t-shirts. But as I've already said, all these clothes are going to be available on my Depop, which is in the description, and once again I'll throw it up on the screen. I think you need to get in there quick because I think a lot of these are going to go really fast. And for making it this far in the video, if you send me code BTJFU on Depop, I'll do you 3 for 2 on all t-shirts under £15. If you also want to stay up to date on what I'm posting and what I'm up to, the link to my Instagram's in the description, and I'll throw it up on the screen now. I'm posting all the time about what I'm up to and what videos are coming out, and you even get a sneak preview of what the videos are going to be. But I do really hope you enjoyed. As I said, please like, subscribe and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.